Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add work and education in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account, and in case you have not, do log in right now. Let's focus on how to add work and education. First of all, let's go to Profile. The button's on the bottom right. It's right next to Chat. Simply click on it, and this is your profile page. In case that you want to view your profile, simply click on the image right here, and then your profile will open up. Right now, we simply want to add our work and education. For that, what we need to do is focus on the top right section of the screen. At the rightmost section, you will find the Edit Profile button. Simply click on it. Then your Edit Profile page will open up. Simply scroll down and you'll see something like Work and Education. You don't need to scroll down too much. Well, here's the tab right here. I'm simply gonna click on it. Now this is gonna open up. That's your work and education. It's gonna give you a few options to add your job title, company name, school or university. Add the details right now. Well, as you can see, I have added the details. Now at the very end, what you need to do is simply click on save. It's at the top right, click on the button right here. And now there you go. Well, as you can see, I have added my work and education. Let's preview our profile right now. Here's my profile. I'm simply gonna scroll down. And at the very bottom, you'll see something like work and education. Well guys, that's it. That's how you add work and education to your Badoo profile. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time.